Before you blink, the technology you use every single day will feel outdated. Not because it's broken, not because it is slow, but because something smarter, faster, or more automated quietly is replacing it. Right now, millions of people are searching the same tech topics on YouTube. They're not random trends, they're actually signals. Signals that technology is shifting in a big way, and most people wouldn't notice until it's already normal. Let's start with artificial intelligence, but not the kind that just answers questions. The biggest searches right now are for AI that does work. People want AI that schedules meetings, edits videos, writes content, messages, emails, and runs tasks without constant input. This is why searches for AI tools, AI agents, and automation softwares are currently exploding. The goal is very simple: less effort, more output. AI is no longer a tool that you talk to, it is becoming something that operates quietly in the background. Another tech topic that is rising fast is smart glasses and augmented reality. For a lot of years, this technology felt early and awkward. Big headsets, short battery life, no real use case. That is actually changing. Searches are rising because people want information without pulling out a phone. Live translations while talking, notifications without distractions. Smart glasses promise a future where screens are no longer in your hand, they're actually in your view. That shift alone changes how people interact with technology. Next is internet speed and next generation connectivity. People think this trend is just about faster downloads, whereas it's actually not. Searches around Wi Fi 7, faster mobile networks, and low latency connections are rising because devices are becoming smarter on their own. Data is processed instantly, delays disappear, experiences are feeling seamless nowadays. This matters for gaming, streaming, smart homes, and everything that is connected to the internet. Speed is no longer a luxury, it's actually a requirement for a lot of people right now. Robots are another topic climbing in searches these days. Not factory robots, not industrial machines, personal robots. People are searching for robots that clean, assist, deliver, and interact naturally. These machines are no longer science fictions, they're entering real homes. As AI improves, robots are becoming more useful, more affordable for people, and more human like in behavior. This is the early stage of a massive shift in how physical work gets done. Display technology is also trending heavily. Big screens are getting bigger, picture quality is getting sharper, colors are getting deeper. Searches for terms like OLED, micro LED, and large TVs are rising because entertainment is moving inward. People are building home setups that feel cinematic, gaming feels more immersive, and streaming feels premium. Screens are no longer just displays, they're actually experiences. Another rising topic is smart devices and automation. People want homes that respond automatically, lights that adjust on their own, temperature that adapts, security that works quietly in the background. So, searches for smart home tech are increasing because convenience is becoming a priority. Technology is expected to understand habits and not wait for commands. And trying all of this together is one clear trend. People want technology that disappears. No effort, no friction, no learning curve, just results. The most searched tech topics right now all point to the same future: less manual work, more automation, smarter systems running quietly behind the scenes and doing the work for you. This is not just hype, this is what people are actively watching, searching, and whether we notice it or not, this shift is already happening. And if you're watching this, you're already ahead of most people because understanding where technology is going is the first step to staying relevant in it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.